Hi, in this video I'm going to present an update to a previous project of mine. The project is named Electrical System Aggregation for a wind farm or a solar farm. So the enhancement has been made in the way the script is used, so it's much easier to use now, yeah, with fewer parameters. Yeah. So we have this, let's say, wind farm with two series branches. We want to compute the equivalent of these branches that are in parallel. Yeah? We're going to use aggregate script version 5.1. Let's look inside the description how to use it. It's very easy. It has basically 3 steps. Yeah? Here here is the paper that is used to compute the collector parameters. Actually, I have it here. The paper is called Method of Equivalencing for a large wind power plant with multiple turbine representation. Okay, now let's see the input parameters. So the user must put the path where the output file is going to be created with the results, U base, S base, type of inverter, X and Y. I'm going to explain what X and Y represent, the name of the grid, if you have multiple grids, and the offset, the distance between the equivalents that are going to be automatically created. So X and Y are the coordinate of the space where the equivalents will be drawn. So presuming that we want to draw here in this rectangle, yeah, the equivalents. X and Y represent the upper right corner where the first equivalent will be drawn. So if we are looking here, we are going to choose, let's say, 380 with 120. Let's see what it is. 380 with 110. I'm going to let it like this. Yeah. Okay, how to use the script? But first, let's do a power flow. Execute. So we are going to obtain the same results here. Yeah, we are going to memorize this and let it aside. We're going to obtain these values of the power flow with our equivalent. Good. So how to use the script? It's very easy this time. Just select with the mouse the arrangement that you want to equivalate. Let's say this series arrangement. Right click, execute script, and choose aggregate version 5.1. Okay, execute the script. We are going to put here the equivalent number. So it's the first equivalent, so put here 1. The script is going to ask you whether it's series arrangement of parallel arrangement. We're going to put it series arrangement because it's a series arrangement. Okay, so the equivalent have been drawn here and also computed with the parameters here. Yeah. Okay, now this is for one arrangement. So for the other arrangement, the same. Right, select the arrangement, right click, execute script 5.1, execute. Be careful here to put 2 because we want to draw the second equivalent. Is also a series arrangement. You see here the arrangement has been drawn and computed here. Now just connect these two arrangements to the bus. Connect. And disconnect the original arrangements. Now, to compute the final equivalent, just select these two equivalents that are in parallel. Right click, execute script aggregate version 5.1. Execute. Be very careful to put here 3, not 1 or 2. Okay. Type of arrangement parallel. And that's it. Now let's just connect the final equivalent and disconnect these two equivalents. Now let's execute the load flow to compare the results. Execute the load flow. Okay, we obtain these values. Yeah, as you can see, actually the results are exactly the same. As you can see, reactive power, yeah, and the current. Yeah, so this validates our results. Very fast and very easy. Okay, I'm going to show you that the um, the output part, the parameter of the collector are printed in the output window. You see in per units, in units for the equivalent for the transformer and equivalent for the inverter. So these are the parameters. Also, an output file has been created on the path of the script. As you can see here, aggregate. We are going to open it, and we can see that that the parameters are written here and can be used by the user as he wants. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.